Hey everyone, welcome to Test It Ralph. Today I'm going to be installing my top roof spoiler right here onto my 2018 Honda Accord Sport. I'm going to take you guys along through the process. There's a couple things that you're going to need. Definitely some window cleaner. You may want to make sure the surface is all nice and clean. And I just take it an extra step and I use some rubbing alcohol to go ahead and clean the surface on the windshield and also on the bottom of the spoiler. Went ahead and purchased T-Rex Extreme double-sided tape. Holds up to 50 pounds. I've used it on my rear spoiler, trunk lid spoiler, and it works awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it for my roof spoiler. So guys, stay tuned for the process. Let's see how it goes. Make sure the surface is nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another paper towel that's dry and clean. For extra measures, I'm gonna go ahead and put some rubbing alcohol onto the paper towel also. Do a quick wipe down. Sure my double-sided tape has a good clean surface. Alright. Now that's nice and clean. Go ahead and use my double-sided tape. Sorry for all the background noise, cars driving by. So. All right guys, so what I went ahead and did is I peeled up the little protective film, all right? What I did is I did a little wedge. This one's gonna be sticking out towards the front of the spoiler, this one's towards the rear of the spoiler. Reason I did that is you do not want to peel the whole thing off and you're gonna go mount the spoiler unless you have help, but I highly recommend doing it like this. You'll see in the installation process how much easier it makes it because you actually can tack the adhesive to one side a little bit and then adjust and fix if it's crooked or anything. So. nice and even. All right, so what I'm gonna do, okay. That way, if the spoiler is crooked or anything, by not peeling the whole film off, you have an opportunity, to fix it and adjust if anything goes wrong. Now what I would just want to do, apply some firm pressure. That's what I'm talking about. All right, nice and firm. That is not going anywhere. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, if you like my content, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that like button, and I appreciate everyone for tuning into my channel, and thanks for the support. Following upgrade to my Honda is going to be an engine mod. I'm going to be doing an episode on that probably in the following week. So thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.